What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be reacting to KSI and Mary and Digital Farm Animals Don't Play. I was gonna do the domain reaction, but it took too long. So let's see how this video will be. I've heard the song already, obviously. I've heard it once, but let's see how it goes with the song. Alright. Okay, the vocals. Directed by Roscoe. Okay, not Con this time.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart.
I like the vocals.
When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun in the
KSI's voice is, I don't feel like that's how he should be making a song. Should be going hard and ham. But let's see. And Mary's part has been decent. The chorus, I like the chorus.
I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just
I
to
like
get by
this
you.
music
I'm
video.
obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you
Ooh,
feel
I
so
like this
missing.
part.
You're airing all my wishes. You're online,
I
but
like
still
this
won't
part.
listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't
I like
no way
that
a two-way
previous
street.
part
I'm
of the
playing
song.
sad.
And the music video, it's good. It's good so far. Let's see how good it does.
It's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
We're back with the chorus.
Alright.
Alright.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games
I didn't really understand the first part of it, how she got like thrashed in school as like a nerd, but it might explain it later.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't
Sorry guys for stopping it so much, but I reckon she's training all this much to beat all the others up. I reckon that's what's gonna happen. I mean, look at what she's doing to the Digital Farm Animals person.
all the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your
That
time,
effect
then
was
I
sick.
ain't
So
giving you mine.
let's do that.
Yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Yeah.
I thought that was Craig David for a sec. I just thought.
Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. the feels hit me differently.
Alright, let's see how
When
she
the
does.
hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart.
Okay, kicks in there. I'm guessing KSI is the trainer. But I like this music video, how JJ is just training her. I like that. Special effects. Nice. Sidemen mask. OG. Alright, I actually like that video. The music video is obviously a music video. It's nothing compared to Domain, but it's like a normal music video. But I like how JJ isn't the main character in this. He's like the trainer of Anne-Marie. So, yeah, if you want to watch the video without me pausing it, then it's linked in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.